Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Meekyface. Today I'm going to attempt this trend that everyone's been doing with the butterflies or what have you. So what I'm going to use today is my Stacey Marie makeup artist palette, and I'm literally just going to wing this and make it up as I go. So as you can see, I've already started off with my brows, and I am going to go ahead and get started and go in with, I'm thinking a fluffy brush. So I'm just going to use this one here. I don't know if you can see it. It's in focus. There we go. This guy here. And I'm going to start off with a yellow. I'm just packing the yellow in this area. Okay, and of course what we do to one eye, we must do to the other. So this week I have been being a true fatty. I have been cooking every day. It's like I work and then I just cook. And of course, you know what comes with cooking, right? Eating. I've been eating everything in sight. I literally have gained like 35 pounds during the COVID, which I'm not excited about, but you know what I am excited about? Food. Food tastes so friggin' good. Like, it's like I can't say no to it. Like I just can't. I have no willpower. I don't have it. I just don't have it. So yeah, that's where we are with it. So I've gone in with this yellow. I'm just kind of keeping it right here. That's because I have some other colors that I also have to go in with. So I'm going to grab yet another fluffy brush. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I called myself trying to clean my beauty blenders using like this hack with like the beauty blender cleaner. I ordered it and I was so excited to get it in, and I used it today, and honey, all I can say is just I was not impressed. Like, it didn't clean it the way I thought it would. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to take to like get all the stains out. Now granted, I know you can't get like all of the stains out of your beauty blenders when they get a little older, you know. And oh yeah guys, this is, the first color was called Keen and the second color is called Lit. But I don't know, like it didn't work for me. So I went back in with like some dish detergent and literally some vegetable oil. I could see a lot more of it start to come out, but yeah, about that. So I was just a little disappointed. I was really like so pressed, like super pressed. Like my friend spent weeks trying to find like this Instagram girl who posted how to do it, because we were just like in awe, like, oh my god, this is amazing, like this is fascinating, like oh my god, how can we do this? Let's get to it. And she told me about it and I was like, why didn't you send it to me? And so she's like, oh, let me find it. Of course, like I said, it took her a couple of weeks to find it, but I'm so grateful. So thank you, bestie, for finding it. I mean, it definitely cleaned the beauty blenders, don't get me wrong, but I don't know what I was expecting, honey. I just think I just wanted it to just like do the most, you know, like I wanted it to really just go all in. So it didn't do that, but I mean, they are clean, so I can't complain there. And now I'm going to get a third fluffy brush, and mind you, this brush is clean. Yes, it is. They're all clean brushes, and again, they are part of the crew that just didn't make the cut. So what am I supposed to do? So yeah, and I'm thinking a little butterfly. I'm undecided, like, do I want to go yellow, orange, pink, yellow, orange, red? I think I got it. I'm gonna go in with funky. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with funky here, and I'm just packing. Funky is pigmented. Hey, funky. Hey, girl. How you doing? Yes, funky. I'm here for her. She's okay. She is all right. Yeah. I like funky. Hey, girl. I'm going to pop just a wee bit of Inferno, which is like a red color. And I don't want too much. So yeah. Now mind you guys, I don't know how I want this to look. I'm just winging it, literally, like that's where I'm at with it. I'm just winging it. And what I'm going to do is go back over each of the colors just a little bit. That was rude. I'm gonna check it though. Going back in with Lit. We lost her a little bit, which is the orange color, and I'm patting her on. I want to play music so bad. This is kind of like why I prefer to do voiceovers, because I always want to play music, but like you just don't know like if you're gonna be like copywriting or something, you know? So I don't know. It'll be dead silence here. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of dust that back this way. I'm just patting Inferno this way, just bringing her here. I'm going to bring Funky down just a wee bit here. And just kind of pat her in a C-like motion, like. You see how she's brightly in there? You can't really tell. You can't really tell Inferno from her, but that's fine. So now we're going to cut the crease. So I'm taking my Rumour Zero P.Louise base, which is stark white, and we're gonna begin cutting the crease. And I'm taking a brush that I purchased from Michael's. I think it was Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure, but it's called Simply Simmons, and it's number 10, and this is it. And I have like some base on here so you can see. Yeah. I'm not gonna begin cutting. I'm going to do what I've been doing, which is taking some Vaseline, and I'm gonna start it with that one. That's actually what I'm going to do. Ha 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 ha. I told you guys, I'm just winging this, like, honey, we're just gonna see what it do. See how it all turns out in the end. And that's literally like right at my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it because if you don't, you will possibly smudge it higher than you wish or it could be, and that's no fun. No. If you can see it. So we're cut. 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 And as a beginner, what I would recommend when cutting, stamp it. Don't just, that is what I used to do when I first started, and no ma'am. She just isn't that great. She's not. She needed work. I've watched so many people cut their crease, and what I never could figure out was, okay, so now that I put the product on, do I just immediately go in with my shadows? What do I do? I never knew. You need to let this, like, not so much completely dry, but you want it to just get tacky so that it will pick up your shadow. That is the goal. Like, I waited so long looking for somebody to just, please tell me, am I supposed to just immediately do it? And there would always be like this little weird space right in here where I would start to bring my shadows back in, and it was like, it's a mess. My fluffy brush again. And we're going to take, it was cinnamon, trying to get in. What? And we're just going to start dusting what was left on the brush previously. I'm not adding any more shadow. I'm just gonna dust it back forward, okay? And so what's happening is it's seamlessly going over the base instead of leaving like a weird undercast of my shadows. Sorry guys. Cinnamon has no respect for struggling artists, period. I'm going to bring back the colors backwards. Starting to crease a bit, so we're going to pack that down. We do not want to put shadow over creased base. We're gonna go in with Pink Me, which is like a white iridescent color. Pretty. I'm just packing that color on. Okay, so I'm back. I've completed my other eye, and now we're going to use my, I'm torn between these two, so we'll see which one works best, but this is my Essence liner and my NYX, that's the point liner. Now we're just gonna draw some little lifelike lines so that it looks real. Now we're going to pick up a bobby pin with the little bulb on the end. So here's the final look. I went ahead and popped my lips on off camera and finished my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.